you enjoy our videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you have subscribed, please check and make sure that you're still subscribed. Thank you so much for joining us. If you watched our last episode, you saw where I pulled up and, whoa, Nelly. All right. So this box is where I keep firewood for the fire pit, and yeah, I made this way more difficult on myself than I had to. All the wood is basically on the left side. You can see that when I lift up. That's why it tipped. But we'll get her. See if I can not drop it this time. This is when it'd be nice to have a self-leveling bucket. Can't have everything. Well, welcome back to the channel. I'd be the first to admit I'm a little bit particular. Some might even call me anal. Yeah, okay. But I do believe in taking care of what I own, and I like organization. I like things, everything in a place for everything. You could see I've taken the pallets up, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut an edge all along here. And we're going to do the same thing. By the way, I've already got grass seed coming up. If you saw our last video, doing really well. Over here, kept my kindling splitter, and again the same thing, crabgrass growing up in here. Going to cut an edge all along here, up here, and we're going to stone it. It's going to look a lot nicer. It's going to be more practical. The stone box I have sitting way back there, and it was unlevel. So we're going to level up this area here with the front being a little higher than it is right now at grade to level off that box. Okay, what I want to do when we edge this is I want to cut off the corner. So you're edging, instead of going that way, go there. It just looks nicer. All right, so what we're trying to do obviously is trying to delineate our work area. So the next thing we're going to do is put a nice deep edge along here so we've got some retention for stone. And, you know, as far as the maintenance, if you look at the fire pit, that's all that is edged in stone. All I do is every once in a while, take a trip around with Roundup, and that's it, and it works beautifully. Let's move on. So as you can see, Brian's got this edge dug all the way around. This is going to be our retention. I'm going to take the bucket and get some of this loose stuff out of here, and then we'll start dumping some stone. Well, if you look behind me and over my left shoulder, you're going to see the trailer and the lift gate. It's a whole lot in my way, and it's keeping me from backing up as straight as I'd like to. So, and you're going to see I'm going to use my JU Fabworks receiver attachment on the front bucket. I just slapped it on, and moving trailers is just an absolute piece of cake. Just wetting this down to get the quarry dust off. Gives you a good indication of how the stone's going to look. So we've got this bed rounded off here and pretty much leveled. This is where we're going to put the firewood box. On the opposite side, it's a large pallet that we use to store other pallets, wheelbarrow, things like that. So we're going to do that now. We're going to move that wood box and set it in place, see how well we did or didn't do with leveling. So we'll do Well, this is the finished product. It's just neater. It's going to be easier to take care of. I mean, I literally had weeds growing up through the individual cracks in the pallet, and you know, this is just a little bit more presentable. I hope you enjoyed this video. We sure loved having you with us. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel as well. Thank you so much. God bless you, and we'll see you next time on Tractors and Life.